So this was move-in day for our 12 by 16 shed we ordered online. Great little website, Urban Sheds. You can order them any size. We ordered this with a metal roof, 2 windows, and a 4-foot door, so we could get all the components we needed for our bathroom inside. You can see them driving it up. They just pulled it off the rig with that tool and drove it right up onto the slab that we had built in the last video or last couple of videos. We're just kind of lining it up.
Or they
What you
hang
can
over?
see there on the right-hand side
I mean,
is
it should line up pretty
the
flush. Once you get
plumbing
it just,
for the gray water as well as the
there
black
you go. If you
water
pull it
up
straight
close.
back
That
in, we
goes to
should
the
be
septic
okay.
tank. On the very end, you can see that's kind of the clean water input. So, in trying to get it flush, we're off of just a couple of inches, so I had to put a couple of 45s in to get the pipes to go up properly, and I'll show that in another video. But really, it was pretty precise, all things considered, driving
From
a
this
shed,
perspective, it looks
to our
alright.
to our camp and onto the slab.
Move the other
So I'm
side.
just zipping around the other side to kind of
Okay.
get eyeball it on each side. But you can see it's pretty great construction. It's 16s on the inside with 24, 23s on top, 2x6s. And you can see when it was all done, it was level in both directions. We're pretty excited about that. That's kind of the important thing. And you can see the exterior here in a second. And then if you stick around or watch the next video, we'll show you how we got it all hooked up to the plumbing.